Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to take our writing assignment on the lesson number 2.4, Story Time Unity is Strength. So everyone take out your workbook and start to write. So the first question is, listen to your teacher and complete the sentences using the words from the box. So here are the some words in the box and you have to choose the correct option from the box. Okay, so the first sentence is, an old man lived with his blank space sons. So here it is, the answer is 4. An old man lived with his 4 sons. Then B, his sons were always blank space with each other. So the answer is quarreling. His sons were always quarreling with each other. Then C, he gave them a bundle of blank space. So here it is, the answer is sticks. He gave them a bundle of sticks. Then D, if you are united, you will be blank space than any enemy. So the answer is stronger. If you are united, you will be stronger than any enemy. Then E, in the end, the brothers work together as blank space. So the answer is team. In the end, the brothers work together as a team. The students listen carefully. I will repeat it again. An old man lived with his 4 sons. His sons were always quarreling with each other. He gave them a bundle of sticks. If you are united, you will be stronger than any enemy. In the end, the brothers work together as a team. Then question number 2. Look at the pictures. Say which pictures show unity and which don't. So here are the 5 pictures. So students, you have to find out in which picture you can see the unity. So the answer is picture B, C, D. Show unity. You can see in the picture B there are the some ants. They are working with each other. In the picture C, you can see there are the some family members doing some work together. And in picture D, you can see there are some elephants and they are always live with each other. So these 3 pictures are showing the unity. And in picture A and E don't show unity. So in these 2 pictures, you can see in the picture A there is one lady doing a work alone, and in the picture E you can see there is a one deer standing alone. So in these 2 pictures don't show unity. Then question number 3, read the sentences and number them in the correct order. So the first sentence is, the sons tried to break a bundle of sticks but failed. Then B, the sons untied the sticks and broke a stick each. Then C, an old man lived with his 4 sons. Then D, the sons learned a lesson and worked together as a team. Then E, the sons always quarreling with each other. Then F, the father explained how staying united is stronger than staying divided. So which sentence is the first sentence here? That is the C. An old man lived with his 4 sons. So you have to write there number 1. Then the second sentence is, the sons always quarreled with each other. So you have to write there number 2 in the circle. Then the third sentence is, the sons tried to break a bundle of sticks but failed. So you have to write there number 3. Then the fourth sentence is, the sons untied the sticks and broke a stick each. So you have to write there number 4 in the circle. Then the fifth sentence is, the father explained how staying united is stronger than staying divided. So you have to write there number 5 in the circle. And the sixth sentence is, the sons learned a lesson and worked together as a team. So you have to write there number 6 in the circle. Question number 4. Answer the following. Why was the old man worried? Answer. The old man was worried because his sons were always quarreling with each other. B. What happens when the sons try to break the bundle of sticks? Answer. The bundle of sticks did not break when the sons tried to break it. C. What happens with the single sticks? Answer. The sons could break the single sticks easily. Then D. What lesson did the sons learn? Answer. The sons learn the lesson that we are stronger when we work together. Understood, students? Then question number 5 is the activity question. This is your homework question. You have to solve it. Okay. All questions everyone have to complete in your workbook and notebook. Okay. Our writing assignment is finished here.